Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video tutorial we will learn how to connect to PostgreSQL database and C Sharp Visual Studio 2022. So let's start. So first I will show you the database. So this is the pgadmin 4 dashboard. You can see it as DB right here, and in this DB I have this demo table, and in this demo table I have this data, and we will retrieve this data. We will connect to this DB database, and then we will get the data from this demo table into a grid view and Visual Studio 2022. So let's start. So I'll minimize this, open Visual Studio 2022. Now I will create a new project. So it will be a form app like next, and I'll name this Npgsql demo next and create the project. So now our project is created. So first we will add the dependency. So I'll right click on this project and manage NuGet packages, and I'll click this browse, and here I will search for Npgsql. This first one, I'll select this, and now I'll install this. Now apply, and now you can see that green tick appear here and it is installed. So now I'll close this. So I'll go to toolbox and I'll search here grid view. I'll drag it right here. Now I'll expand it a bit. I'll center this. Now I'll go again to toolbox, and here I will search for button, and I will drag this as well. I'll change the name of this button, and I will also change the text on this button. So I'll go down. So now I'll double click on this button to create a click event, and now here we will write our code for the connection to PostgreSQL. So first we will create our connection string. So string con equals, and first it takes the server. So server equals local host, because we are using local server, semicolon, then it takes the user ID. So user ID equals, and for user ID we will go to our database and to this server, and I will check its properties and connection, and this is our username. So I'll copy this, and I'll paste it right here, semicolon, then it takes the password. So password is, for me the password is admin, and you can use your own password. Then it takes the database. So database equals to testdb. So now our connection string is created. So now we will create the connection. So I'll use connection con equals new, and here we will pass in the connection string. This will be connection string, and I will import this dependency. Click on this bulb icon and using this one. Now I'll put semicolon at the end. Now we will open the connection. So con dot open, and now I'll put semicolon at the end. Now we will create our query. So I'll use string query equals, and now I'll copy the query from here. I'll go here to demo and script, select script, and now I'll remove this, make a space, and I'll copy this query, see this, and now I'll come here and control V this. I'll put semicolon here, and now we'll create our command. So command cmd equals new command, and it takes a query. So I'll pass in the query and the connection, and I'll put semicolon at the end. Now we will execute our command data reader. Reader equals cmd dot execute reader, and now I'll put semicolon at the end. Now I will load this reader into a data table. So I'll create a data table. dt equals new data table, and I'll semicolon, I'll load this reader into this data table, and I'll put semicolon at the end. And now data retrieve one dot data source equals dt semicolon. Now our code is complete. So let's run this and let's check if it is working. So now if I run this application, so now our application is running. So if I click on this get data, so now you can see that all the data from this table, if I select all the data in this table and execute this query, we have 4 records, and as you can see here in this application we have 4 records. So in this way you can connect to PostgreSQL and C Sharp Visual Studio 2022 and can run queries. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.